Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Bedford Bassin. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little short video. Me and my dad finally got a chance to get back out there and go fishing. Headed out in the little John boat to Stretcher River. You guys seen me fish a couple times in previous videos. I believe this video is from like middle of January, like right before the ice storm, I believe, if I remember right. I just haven't had any time to really edit anything and haven't even had a chance to go back out and go fishing yet, but hopefully we'll be able to get back out there soon. I hope you guys enjoy this little short video, and please make sure if you haven't already to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Yeah. Catch one, it's gonna be a good one. Some hit it? Some got it? You got it? Oh, it's a good one. Oh God, it's a good one. Hold on, hold on. Oh no! God, that was a good one.
Mira, it don't come out.
God.
I know, I feel like it pulled one time that thing.
That was a. That was like a almost a.
That
That was almost like a 3-pounder, and I just got stuck right there. You see how dark it was, like the lines on the side? They look so pretty in the wintertime when they get the dark lines like that. There he is. Got one.
See?
Yeah, little one.
Let's see.
Oh God, look how pretty they are in the dang water though. God.
They were like this, right?
Yeah. That's how they get here when the water is so cold. God, look how fat he is. Look how wide. You take a picture of my first fish, 2026.
Huh?
My first fish of the year. Got it? It's good. First fish. Water's cold. Got like a little messed up lip. Something. God, it's a pretty fish. Look at the pretty lines on it. First one of the afternoon. First one of 2026. The little Berkeley Fritz side. Hey, I don't even know what he was on. He was just right. I don't think there's anything right there. See, there's another one up there. Maybe there'll be. I was just gonna put this down. I was gonna pick up the rod to jig around that grass right there, that little mat. That's a good one. A pretty one. That was a pretty one. He was wide.
Nice.
Big tree. Ain't no telling how old it is. Ain't no telling how old it is. I have to pick up the magic bait. I have to get my magic bait. My magic bait. How old do you think it is? How old do you think it is? right at the boat. It's a good one. That one's a good one. God.
Damn, that's a nice one.
God.
Slow, but the other.
Barely got it too.
Mm-hmm.
He barely had it. He hit it right at the boat.
I know, he was running, making
God, look how fat they are. God. Pretty colors on them too. Look at them pretty lines. Pretty fish. You got it?
Yeah.
The second one right there. Man, pretty fish. I like how they get them dark lines on them like that. Fish is fat. Oh, scared me.
Huh?
It scared me on a little flat side again. Hit it right at the boat. I thought I had a limb. I never felt them bite. It just felt heavy.
I said, if you scared me, then you.
I was just about to put this up because I was going to pick up a little jig. Maybe we just need the sun to stay out so they'll bite. Maybe we just need the sun to stay out. He must have followed, because I cast it to this tree right here. I guess he must have followed it all the way to the boat. The water's clear, then when you can see them down, once you hook them or whatever, the water looks way more clear than what it is.
Yeah.
Got him? God.
On it.
Let a little bit line out. You want me to get him for you?
On the one now?
Yeah, bring him over here, I'll get him for you. God, he got like under the... I don't know how he got hooked like that. He's hooked like outside the mouth.
I feel it when it was trying to get it and try to get it.
It's a pretty one too. Got it?
Now you took a picture. You my phone?
I can do it on mine. I heard the line. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That didn't take long with the spinnerbait, huh?
No.
It's a pretty fish.
I
They
made
got
it wrong.
pretty markings on them.
Mhm.
Pretty markings on them. I heard your line go.
Yeah, I told you like that. When I was here, I feel if you can think, I said, oh, this time.
Were you just reeling it real slow or what?
Yeah.
Reeling it real slow?
Yeah, yeah.
It is cold. Were you like reeling it on the bottom almost, or?
Yeah.
You were like reeling it on the bottom or what? Not on this side at least. It's deeper on that side over there. So we could have had 4. We would have got that first one. It's like when the Titanic was sinking, huh? That probably scared all the fish away. There's one. Good one. Yep. Yeah. Oh no, he came off.
What?
Came off.
Why you do that shit,
God. Dang it, how'd he come off? And he hit it way out there too. Yeah. I need to throw your spinnerbait this way, dude. I was just kind of letting it hit the bottom a little bit. Dang, that was a good one. The crankbait.
Huh?
The crankbait. So I don't know how he came off. Huh? He was like right there. He came up and turned and the hook came right out. Oh. Yeah. Don't come off. Don't come off, please. Oh, barely hooked. Gosh. Yeah. Thank you. Right there for getting ready to leave.
Huh?
Right there for getting ready to go. I think I had him hooked up top too and it came off. Felt like a tree. And then I was like, wait.
Feel like a tree?
Yeah. God, they still got this pretty colors on it though. Gosh, man.
You can fry the whole thing.
Some pretty fish.
Huh?
Pretty fish. Thank you. Oh yeah. It's a pretty one. Yeah. The only thing we caught him on is a spinnerbait or the crankbait, nothing else. We ain't caught him on nothing else. Yeah. I ain't had nothing hitting, nothing else. Just a little crappie jig, but just a little crappie jig is the only thing. I was gonna tell you, I think last time I fished here, I caught one right here too.
Yeah?
The last time I was here, I caught one right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, big one. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Don't do that. God. Yeah. No, come on. Don't come on. God. He was right there. God. We should have just fished right here close to the truck, huh? Should have just fished close to the truck. God. That's 2 weeks in a row off the same bait, catching them like that. Hey, that's a good one. Two right here, one just came off that tree right there, and then one off this bush. Truck's right there. Getting ready to go. That's a pretty fish. He was right there. I just cast and I got stuck in a tree. I was like, let me make another cast, and it felt like it, like if I didn't feel the bite, it just felt heavy. God, it's a pretty fish. God. He was right there under this.